In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off notifications on Outlook. Desktop alerts in Outlook can be a helpful way to stay on top of your incoming emails without having to constantly check your inbox. However, there are many times when you prefer to turn off these alerts to minimize distractions. Start by opening your Outlook. Go to File tab located in the top right corner of the Outlook window. In the File menu, select Options to open the Outlook options. Click on Mail to access settings related to your email messages. Scroll down to the section labeled Message Arrival. Here, you'll find various settings that control how Outlook notifies. To turn desktop alerts on or off, look for the Display Desktop Alert checkbox. If you want to enable it, turn it on, and if you want to disable it, you can clear the checkbox. After you do that, save changes. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.